The Quran did not say about the death penalty, the rajam. In the Quran is just one punishment mentioned is 100 lashes. Okay? But in the hadith there is mentioned that the married man or married woman is stoned to death. If they commit adultery, have a relation without outside the marriage, the married man and married woman should be punished death penalty with a stoning in the hadith. But in the Quran, no, it's not mentioned. In the Quran, mention is 100 beating, the lashes you follow. Same with the Bible also. The Bible also mentioned adultery death penalty also, stoning to death. It's in the Old Testament. Even in New Testament, the punishment for the adultery is stoning to death, for batoin. But the Quran mentioned that man and woman who commit adultery, the zina, their punishment is follow 100 times. That's in the Quran. But the Old Testament, New Testament, the married man, married woman, the Torah, death penalty. Not just death penalty, you cut the head or you hang, no. Stone. Stoned to death. The man and woman should be stoned to death if they are married. Married man and married woman, they make zina. Their punishment in the Torah, death penalty with stoning, the Old Testament, New Testament. But in the Quran, it is only mentioned is 100 lashes. But in the Hadith, the Prophet Muhammad mentioned about the death penalty with stoning also. So we can research if this punishment is still existing, as per law of Allah, or if it is abrogated. We can research in Quran also.